Hi dear students, this is Mila. So we will discuss this paper today. This is 2021 O-Level Maths paper discussion, uh, actually part A. So actually let's do this one, right? And this is the first question, right? This is a short answer, right? When an item is imported, uh, custom duty of 22% is charged on its import value. What is the value of an item of import value 8,000 rupees after custom duty is paid? So you have to know this import value is 8,000 and you have to add the 22% of the 8,000, right? This is how you get the value, right? Then you can cancel out this thing and you get this 8,000 here plus 8 into 2, that is 16, 8 into that is 16, and plus 1, that's 17, and you get this amount, right? Then the value after the custom duty is paid is 9,760 rupees, right? So this is how you get the answer. Let's find the value of x based on the information in the figure. So here you can see this is an isosceles triangle, therefore this also has to be 2x. Therefore we know the sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. And we'll take this 180 is equal to 2x plus 2x plus x. This is equal to 5x. 180 is equal to 5x. Therefore we can divide both sides by 5 and then find x is equal to actually 36 degrees. So you have to factorize this and you can take this as a difference of two, squares, right? This is 9x squared is equal to 3x full square, right? Then you can get 3x squared minus 2 square. Then this is 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. So this is the answer. Let's see the fourth question. This is uh, the arc length of a sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeter is 11 centimeters. So what fraction of the circle is the sector? So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and we will take 2 pi r uh, x, right? X is the fraction, x is the uh, actually fraction of the circumference, and this is equal to 11 centimeters, and we'll take 2 into 22 divided by 7, 7 x is equal to 11, so we will find x, right? Here this cancels out, and you can do it this way, right? 44 x is equal to 11, so x is 11 to x is equal to 11 divided by 44, that is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4. So this is the answer. What fraction? The fraction is 1/4. So 1/4 of the circumference is 11 centimeters. So 1/4 of a circle has been taken as the arc length here. So you can do it this way, right? And then find the magnitude of ABC based on the information in the figure. So ABC is this angle, right? So we can take this angle easily, right? So this is the exterior angle of ECD, ECD triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the two opposite interior angles, right? So this is equal to 38 plus 40, which is 78 degrees. So and then we will consider about ACB triangle. So ACB triangle. So this 78 is an exterior angle of ACB triangle. So this will just say this x, then x plus 20 is equal to 78, because 20 and x are interior angles and the opposite exterior angle is the 78. So x is equal to 58. So this is how you get the answer for that. So you have to simplify this. This is so simple question, right? 6x 4 into the power 4 y squared divided by 3x squared y. Then you can cancel out this and you get 2. Then here you get 2 x 4 minus 2 y 2 minus 1. Then this is 2x squared y. So this is the answer. And fill in the blanks in the statement given below using the suitable numbers. A right prism with a uniform triangular cross section has actually two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. It is not something like this. So this is the prism, right? Something like this. So this has this is something like this. So this has two triangular faces. These are the two triangular faces, and around this you have three rectangular faces. So this is the answer. And what about this? ABCD is a parallelogram. DC has been produced to E such that AC parallel to BE. AC is parallel to BE, and you know that this is parallel to this one because ABCD is a parallelogram and this is parallel to this one. So find the area of the trapezium ABED. So you can see this one. If you take this triangle, right? This one, this triangle, right? So B is equal to 6 centimeters. BE is equal to 6 centimeters, right? So B is 6 centimeters. So therefore you can say AC is also 6 centimeters, right? And this is 6 centimeters. AC, then AC is also 6 centimeters, right? So we can find out that AD, area of ADC, is equal to half into base into height. That is, base is 6, height is 3. So this is it, right? And since ABCD is a parallelogram, and this area is also equal to that. This area, see this area is also equal to ACD, and therefore the ABCD area of ABCD is 2 into half into base into height. This is it, right? And you can see ACB area is equal to BCE area, right? Because ACEB is also a parallelogram. Therefore, there are three triangles you can see, and areas of each of these three triangles are equal. So the area of ABECD um, mm, yeah, right, ABED actually. The area of ABED is equal to 3 times this triangle, 3 times of this triangle, right? This into half into base base is 6 into height is 3, so you can cancel out this, you get 3 here, and this is 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, and the answer is 27 centimeters squared, right? So this is how you get it. Now finally is common multiple of this, so you have to factorize this with the prime factors. Actually, we'll get it this way. We'll factorize with the maximum powers of the prime factors, right? So 4x squared y is equal to 2 squared into x squared into y, and 6xy is equal to 6 into x into y, and 3y squared is equal to 3 into y squared. So we'll take the maximum powers of each. So you can say 6 into 2 into 3, right? So you have to take 6 as 2 into 3. So you get the maximum power of 2 is 2 squared. Maximum power of x is x squared. Maximum power of y is y squared, right? So you get here 2 squared x squared y squared, so that is equal to and also you have to get 3, maximum power of 3 is 3, right? So then you get 4 into 3 is 12, 12x squared y squared. So this is the answer. So a person who deposits 6,000 rupees in a bank for 2 years at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually receives 300 rupees as interest for the first year. How much interest does he receive for the second year? So we'll get it this way, right? So balance for the second year, right? So balance for the second year is 6,000 plus 300, and he has to get an interest of 5%, right? Then you get 6,300 into 5%. Then you can cancel out this 3, and you get 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 6 is 6, and 6 actually 30, 30 plus 1, that is 31, right? So he gets 31 350 rupees as the interest. The first quartile of a collection of data arranged in ascending order is in the 4th position. In which position is the median of this collection of data? The median is the 2nd quartile, right? So you can write it this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, something like so. This is the 4th position, right? And we have to leave 3 here and you get 8 here. So 3 here and 3 here, right? So median is at the 8th position. So this is how you get is the 8th position. Right. So find the minimum area of a sheet of paper that can be used to completely cover the curved surface of a solid right circular cylinder of radius 7 cm and height 5 cm. So we have to cover only the curved surface, right? So cylinder is something like this. So if you unfold this circular surface, it becomes something like this. It becomes actually rectangle. So this length is 2 pi r. That's the circumference of the base. So this is the height, right? Then the area is 2 pi r h. This is 2 into 27, 2 over 7 and 7 into 5. So you cancel out this and you get 2 in 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 20, 10 into 22 is 220 centimeters. So this is the answer, right? Find the magnitude of BAC based on the information in the figure. You have to BAC, right? BAC. Okay, let's do it this way, right? Here, uh, mm, this 110, the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So you can see this part. This angle has to be 110. So therefore you can take this part as 60 degrees, because 60 plus 50 is 110. So this also has to be 60, because these are the angles in the same segment, right? The angles in the same segment are equal. It is something like this. If you mark it this way, like this all three angles are going to be equal, and if you draw this way, this is also the same angle, right? So we use this theorem for this. So you have to solve this. This is a quite simple simplification. Something like this. You have to take this take a common denominator for this. So 3 over 8. So for this you can make this 4. You can divide, you can multiply by 4, and you can multiply the numerator also by 4. Right? Then you get 4 here, 4 over 4x minus 3 over 4x equal 3 over 8, and then you get something like this. 4 minus 3 equal 3, 8. Then you can multiply both sides by 4, then you get 8, something like this. Then you get 1 divided by x is equal to 3 divided by 2, and you can do this cross multiplication and you can get x is equal to 2 over 3. This is how you get the answer. If NA, the number of elements in A is 10, this is 10, and the number of elements in B is 5, and A intersect B, number of elements in A intersects B is 3. So uh, mm, so you have to find out how many elements are there in the shaded region of this Venn diagram. So this is 10, and 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2, right? So the number of elements in the shaded area is 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So this is how you get. Okay, let's go to the next question, right? In the triangle ABC in the given figure, D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of the AB, AC, BC, and BC, right? If AB is 4 centimeters, AB, see what is AB? AB is 4 centimeters, right? So then this is 2, this part is 2, and this part is 2, and this part is also 2, because this is the midpoint. This part is 4, and then EF has to be half of it, right? So AC is 5. AC is 5, then this is 2.5, this is 2.5, and this is going to be 2.5. DF, right? DF is going to be 2.5, and the perimeter of the triangle DEF is 7 centimeters. DEF is 7 centimeters, right? Then if it is 7 centimeters, this DE is equal to 7 minus 2.5 plus 2, right? That is 7 minus 4.5. This is 2.5, right? And then DE is 2.5. Therefore, BC has to be 5 centimeters, right? So then you have to write BC is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the answer. This seventh one is a kind of tricky question, so we'll do it this way, right? So firstly, this one, this is 14, right? So if you take something like you can see these both are positive numbers, so you can square both sides, right? If you square 3, you get 9. If you square root 14, you get 14, right? Then this is true, and let's see the other part, right? 14. So if you can take the square root, you can take the squares of both sides, and if you take the square of this, it becomes 16. If you take square of this becomes actually 14, right? Then this is also true, right? So therefore we can say this statement is true. Okay, then we'll go to the next one. Root 35, root 5.5. So let's see, let's take the squares of both sides. This square of root 35 is 35. The square of 5.5, let's see, 5.5 into 5.5, right? Then if we take the square of 5.5, we get 30.25. So this is 30.25, and this statement is wrong. And if we get 3 root root 3 plus root 15, so let's do it this way. So you can see root 3, just think about root 4. Root 4 plus root 16, then this is 2, this is 4, and this is equal to 6. Then you can see um, this is actually we got root 3, root 4 and root 2, actually root 4 and root 16. We got root 4 and root 16, that means root 4 plus root 16 is equal to 6. So root 3 plus root 15 must be less than that. So therefore root 3 plus root 15 must be less than 6. Therefore we can say this is true. This question, Anil takes 32 minutes to walk at a uniform speed from his home to school, which is 2.4 kilometers away. How many minutes will it take him to walk a distance of 3 kilometers at the same uniform speed? So you know uniform speed, you can say u, that is equal to distance divided by time, right? Then we will find his speed, right? That is 2.4 divided by 32, that is kilometers per minute, right? Then this is it. This is you can divide by 8, then you get 0.3 and you get 4. This is equal to 0.3 divided by 4 kilometers per minute. Then you can apply the same formula, this same formula for the second time. U is equal to d divided by t, that is it, 0.3 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by t. Then you can do this cross multiplication and get t is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 0.3. Then you can get t is equal to, you can cancel out this way, then get 10 here, that is 10 into 4, this is 40 minutes. Then Anil takes 40 minutes to walk the 3 kilometers of distance. So 19, the center of the given circle is O and its radius is 5 centimeters. So you can write it here 5, this is 5, and also you can see AB is a diameter, therefore this angle has to be 90 degrees, right? And what was this? If TC is 4 centimeters, TC is 4 centimeters, AT also has to be 4 centimeters. So you have to find BC, because you know if there's a chord like this, this is the you know, the perpendicular to the center, and this divides the chord equally, right? This bisects the chord. Therefore you can say this is 4 and this is also 4, so therefore we can apply this Pythagoras theorem, right? Then AB squared is equal to BC squared plus AC squared, right? So therefore you can take BC squared is equal to 10 squared minus 8 squared, this is 100 minus 64, that is 36. BC squared is 36, so BC is equal to 6 centimeters. This is how you get it. And obtain the equation of the straight line AB shown in the figure. AB, so you can see this is minus gradient, right? So if it is like this, you get plus gradient, and here you get minus gradient, right? And therefore you can see this equation something like this. Y is equal to minus mx plus c. So here you can see c is equal to 3 because that is the intercept, right? That means the function intersects the y-axis. Therefore, we have to find m, right? M is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by the adjacent side. This is 3 divided by 6, that is 1/2. Therefore, you get the function like this. Y is equal to minus half x plus 3. So this is the equation of this graph, right? The sixth term of a geometric progression with common ratio 5 is 80. What is the eighth term of this progression? You know, Tn is equal to AR n minus 1, right? Therefore, you can take T6, which is equal to 80 is equal to A. R is 5 into 6 minus 1 is 5, right? Then what is the eighth term? Eighth term is T8 is equal to A 5 into the power 7. So this is 1, this is 2. Then you can divide 2 by 1. Then you get T8 divided by 80 is equal to 5 to the power 7 minus 5, which is T8 divided by 80 is equal to 5 squared. Therefore, you get T8 is equal to 25 into 80, that is 2000. 25 into 8 is 200. Then you have to add another 0. This is the answer. And here the center of the given circle is O. Find the magnitude of ABC. ABC, this angle, right? So this is a very simple thing. You have to apply this theorem here. The angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at the circle. So I'll draw it again with something like this. This angle, the angle subtended, I'll tell you the other way. Angle subtended at the circle is half of the angle subtended at the circle at the center. So this is, if this is A, say this is 2A, this has to be A. So the same way you can draw it this way also. This is 2A, and you can draw the other one like this also, right? So this is A. So the same way, this is 50, right? So this has to be 25, right? Because these are so if you draw this angle, this also has to be 25. If you draw it this way, this also has to be 25. If we draw this way, this also has to be 25. So this is how you find this answer, right? So you can take this as 25. Then ABD, so you can say ABC is 25, right? Right, then you know, this is actually 90 degrees because DC is the diameter. The diameter subtends 90 degrees on the circle, right? And also, you know, the angle of a semicircle is 90 degrees. It's a right angle. Therefore ABC is 25 plus 90, so this is equal to 115 degrees. So this is a matrix, right? Find the matrix AB. This is like this: A, B, 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So you have to multiply this and multiply this, and then add those two, right? Then you get it this way. 1 into 1, that is minus 1. 3 minus 3 into 3 plus 3, and minus 1 into 2 is 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So you get here 2 and minus 1. So this is the answer. Here we'll see this. A bag contains only identical red and black balls. The probability of a ball drawn at random from the bag being red is 2 over 7. 2 over 7. If there are 15 black balls in the bag, how many balls in the total are there in the bag? Right, this is the we have the number of black balls, we don't have the number of red balls, but we can find out the probability of red balls. Probability of drawing a red ball is equal to 5 over 7, because there are only black balls and red balls. And this if the number of black balls is equal to 15, this has to be multiplied by 3, then this also has to be multiplied by 3. Therefore this is 21, actually the 15 divided by 21. Therefore there should be total 21 balls in total, right? This is how we get it. So AB and AC are two perpendicular boundaries of a land. AB and AC are two perpendicular boundaries of a land. It is required to plant a tree at the point P, which is 4 meters from AB and 5 meters from the corner A. An incomplete sketch relevant to finding this location is shown in the figure. Complete the figure using the knowledge on loci. So and mark the point P, right? So this has to be point, this has to be, actually this is already 4 meters, and this has to be 5 meters, right? Then this is the point P, and you can apply this Pythagoras theorem and you can find that this is 3 meters, because 5. So if we take this as x, 5 squared is equal to x squared plus 4 squared, right? Then x squared is equal to 5 squared minus 4 squared, right? This is equal to 25 minus 16, this is 9. Then you get x is equal to 3 meters. This is how you get the answer. So I think you may have understood all these things. So if you have any questions, you can comment below. And thank you for watching this video. Then you can consider subscribing to my channel and share this video so that someone else can benefit from this, and also like the video Thank you. See you in the next video.